Welcome to SayBrazil. Today's topic, the most famous and dramatic word in Portuguese, saudade. Yes, that one word that every Brazilian will throw at you at some point, like it's their favorite Pokemon. What does saudade mean? It means saudade. Thanks, that really helped. So what is it? In English, you might say, I miss you. In Spanish, te extraño. In French, tu me manques. Cute, simple, direct. But Brazilians? They needed a word that turns missing someone into a full-blown emotional crisis. Saudade is not just, I miss you. Saudade is missing, longing, nostalgia, depression, hope, and the soundtrack of an accordion playing in the background. All at once. It's the feeling of missing someone who left, or missing something you never had, or missing the dog that's sitting right next to you, but somehow you already miss him because one day he'll die. That's saudade. It's like missing and existential dread had a baby. And yes, they use it for everything. Missing your grandma? Saudade. Missing your dog? Saudade. Missing that Friends episode where Chandler buys a ticket to Yemen to avoid breaking up with Janice? Saudade. It's used even to say we miss things we didn't actually like. I have saudade of school. Really? The same school where you were bullied, failed math, and ate suspicious school lunch? Yes. Saudade makes everything look prettier in hindsight. Now, why can't you translate it? Because English is too efficient. English just says miss. Boom. Done. But Portuguese is more dramatic. It needs words that sound like we're writing poetry while ordering Uber Eats. Picture this. I miss my girlfriend. Estou com saudade da minha namorada. Translation: I'm currently living in a state of emotional absence where my soul aches for the presence of my beloved. Who wins? The Brazilian, obviously. And don't think saudade is only for romance. Oh no. This word can also be used as a weapon. Moms will call their kids who live 2 streets away. Filho, estou com saudade. Translation: come visit me, bring food, and fix the Wi-Fi. Exes love saudade. They'll text at midnight. Oi, tô com saudade. Translation: I'm bored, you're plan C, and Netflix is down. Grandparents are the final bosses of saudade. Every Brazilian grandma has at least one drawer stuffed with old photos she pulls out to cry over, gently stroking the face of someone who moved to another neighborhood back in 1982. And music. Oh my God, Brazilian music runs on saudade. Every song is basically, I miss you, she left me, I'm drinking, life is meaningless. Here's the funny thing. Brazilians even feel saudade of the future. They say things like, já tô com saudade de você. Translation: you're still here, but I already miss you when you leave. That's not missing. That's time travel depression. And if that's not enough, they invented phrases like matar a saudade, literally kill the saudade, because apparently saudade is a monster you fight with hugs and barbecue. So if you ever hear a Brazilian say, let's meet to kill saudade, don't worry, it's not a crime. It just means, I miss you. We need to hang out and catch up. Bring beer. Foreigners sometimes try to use saudade, and honestly, it's hilarious. A gringo once told me, I have saudade of pizza. Bro, you ate pizza yesterday. That's not saudade. That's cholesterol. But here's the secret. Brazilians don't just love the word because it's untranslatable. They love it because it makes suffering feel romantic. Saying, I miss you, is flat. Saying, tenho saudade, is like starring in your own tragic telenovela. And let's face it, Latinos live for drama. Imagine someone ghosting you. In English, you'd cry, I miss him. In Portuguese, you whisper dramatically into the night, tenho saudade. Boom. Instant main character energy. And this obsession with saudade even crosses into daily nonsense. Miss cheap rent? Saudade. Miss when your back didn't hurt. Saudade. Miss when your favorite shampoo wasn't discontinued. Saudade. Brazilians are basically addicted to nostalgia. Why do foreigners struggle with it? Because in most languages, missing is temporary. Saudade isn't. Saudade is forever. Saudade is missing someone, then missing the time when you missed them, then missing yourself missing them. It's like emotional inception. So when you hear a Brazilian say, "Tô com saudade," don't just translate it as, "I miss you." Translate it as, "I miss you, I miss you, I miss the memories, I miss the idea of you, and I'll keep missing you until I die," but with style. Now, is it overrated? Absolutely. Do Brazilians abuse it? Of course. But does it sound beautiful when whispered under the moonlight while drinking cheap wine? Hell yes. So remember, saudade is not just a word, it's a national brand. It's the emotional Wi-Fi that keeps Brazilians connected to sadness at all times. And that's why you'll never really translate it. You can only feel it. And once you feel it, congratulations, you are officially Brazilian. Oh, and by the way, I already have Saudade of you if you don't subscribe to this channel, which means hit the subscribe button. It's free.